Hey you, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. And we will check this on 3 ways. Alright, the first way is go to the left in the top to your profile, then tap on My Friends, and here my friend just got disappeared. And keep in mind, this is not always the reason because someone disappeared, because he could also delete me, just delete me and not block me. So keep in mind, that's not always the reason. So this is the first way how to check it. Then if you go back, and we go to chat and then want to search for a user. Then if I type in his username, I can't find this person because I blocked myself on my main account and it's not possible to find this account back in Add Friends. So this is the second way. Then the last way is if you go to chat, I had a group chat with this person, Tommy Flux, just right here. Then if I tap on the profile picture, then you will see that the group members in this group is just Tommy Flux. Then go to his profile. And every time when I want to add this person, I couldn't find Tommy Flex. And this is the third way how to see if someone blocked you. Alright, these are the 3 best options to make sure if someone blocked you. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give it a like. And thanks for watching.